Good morning, one and all. Myself, Nagaraj H, Senior Scale Librarian, Government First Year College for Women, Pavagoda, Tumkur District. Unit 4, Session 37, Tertiary Sources, Union Catalog. Session 37, Union Catalogs. Union Catalogs is a collection of bibliographical details of resources, belongs to a group of libraries. No library of this world is self-sufficient. Union Catalogs helps user of one library to check the availability of required documents in other libraries if not available in the stock of local library. Union Catalogs is the result of cooperative processing works of members libraries of a resource sharing network or consortium. These are available in the form of CD-ROM databases or online databases. A library catalogs we know is a list of all or some of the holdings of a library. If two or more libraries make out such a list, we call it a union catalogs. Larson defines a union catalogs as a catalog listing in one sequence the holdings or part of the holdings of two or more libraries. Ranganathan defines a union catalog as a list of all the documents in two or more libraries giving the names of all the libraries where copies of each documents can be found. A union catalog may cover all kinds of documents or any restricted kind of them. Union Catalog is a very good example of cooperative cataloging where two or more libraries cooperate with each other in listing their holdings partially or fully. Union catalogs can be prepared at local, regional, national and international levels. Union catalogs, once prepared efficiently, serve several purposes, some of which are below. Serves as a tool which can reveal the document resources available in libraries in a geographical region. Second one, reveal the strength and weakness of library collections. Another one, indicate the probable areas of collection specialization and cooperation. Helps in coordination of collection development activities of the libraries. Another one, serves as a tool or bibliographical information. Another one, provides useful information for document selection. Prerequisites for a union catalogs. What is the prerequisites need to be for a union catalogs? It's compilation of a union catalogs is possible only through library cooperation. Any such compilation should be very clear in the beginning itself about the purposes of the union catalog to be compiled, a region to be covered, another one materials to be covered like a decision as to the type of reading materials, language, period or subject etc. Another one, physical form of the catalogs. Another one, catalog code to be followed, type of entries. Another one, level of descriptives, arrangement of entries and the method of compilation and revision of catalogs. These are the prerequisites for a union catalog. Thank you one and all.